Alright, this video is to explain how to use the Activity 111 box plot data Google Sheet. Step number one, in these green cells, you can go ahead and enter your data, which are your distances from your mechanism. I'm just going to randomly put some stuff in here. Alright, step number two is going to go ahead and we need to sort that. So I'm going to select all my data. I'm going to come up here and go to sort range and make sure it says A to Z and click on sort. So now our data is sorted from minimum to maximum distance. You'll see the 5-number summary will automatically generate, as well as this area down here, which is used for our chart. And speaking of our chart, or a graph, we need to go ahead and edit it. So we're going to edit the vertical axis here. So we double click on that. It brings up our chart editor, and we need to change the minimum and the maximum data values. And what I suggest is doing about 10 centimeters above and below our maximum and minimum numbers. So my minimum number here is 23. So we'll say 13 is our minimum, and our maximum was 120 on my data set here, so I'm going to say 130. And just close out of it. And that is the 111 box plot data form completed.